Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stephanycasa. We are here to give you this gorgeous, creative, beautiful look. Inspiration will be in the description, but make sure you hit that subby button, like, comment, and become part of the familia. So stay tuned to see how I got this done. And of course, the products will all be in the description bar for you. I only use 2 palettes. And yeah, everything's pretty much self-explanatory. I won't really need to explain anything until the very end. So yeah, enjoy. So right here, I'm just showing you guys the different blends on each eye. That eye had way much more purple than the other eye. I honestly was about to just take off the eye on your left side because I felt like I just had too much purple. But, you know, I'm trusting the process, and thank God I did. I just cut that crease and it all came together. Oh my God. Literally trust the process, y'all, because sometimes you just never know how something's gonna turn out until you just complete. So yeah, anyways, I had to add extra purple to the right side, and yeah, that was really it. And here's me just filling myself. Also, if you guys want a cut crease tutorial, let me know. I'll gladly do so in a different video. I did take this part out because it just takes up a lot of time, as you know. But yeah, we just pack on some white eyeshadow. We're gonna zoom in, boom boom, and show you what it look like, and then we're gonna get into the details. And I gotta go close the door because baby girl is just dumb loud upstairs. Okay, so the door was actually closed, but we moved to the bathroom just for the sake of the voiceover. Do y'all see how much I love y'all? Okay, but anyways, right now we just dotting on some dots, color purple to complement obviously what's going on already. And right here, I am trimming down my paintbrush, and you can always do this to just make sure it comes out perfect. Trust me, been there, done that. You really want to make sure your paintbrush is ready to be used, or you will mess up and you will be pissed. Alrighty, so here is the most difficult part, at least for me it was. So what you want to do is take the white only at the top and create like a semicircle. Definitely take your time. This took me forever. This is just sped up for the sake of the video. And so yeah, you can always start small, which I suggest, and make the circle bigger in case you do mess up. Then you want to do the purple half on the bottom, and same concept, obviously start small then make it big. And to really help with the definition of it being a circle, you just want to make sure it's a straight line, like literally right at the cut crease. And so yeah. And this is the end. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I am obsessed. Super happy that I was able to actually do it. Sometimes you just underestimate yourself a little bit, but girl, I did it. And please excuse the delays. I finished this look at 4 a.m., 4:30 to be accurate, and we didn't really care about all that. So, yeah, don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys next time.